Hello, my beautiful fart faces. It is I, Bev B Diamond Paints. Today we are going to be unboxing a bunch of diamond paintings from DIYChoose. I was like, where's it from? DIYChoose. I'm excited. This is my first order that I've ever placed with them, and you can all thank Christopher K. I don't know how to say your last name, Chris. Pretty sure it starts with a K, but I'll put his channel down below. He's the one who enabled me into buying diamond paintings from DIYChoose. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Join my hive. I would love to have you. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. I love diamond painting. I'm addicted to diamond painting. Anyways, let's get started. So I have my trusty scissors. We're going to cut into this bag. And it looks like there are 6 diamond paintings. Should we open them all now in this video? Let's see how long it takes. So let's open this one because it is not in a bag. Ooh, I know what one this one is. So if you didn't know, I have a thing with the partial cats that are special drilled partials. I am like loving them right now, and I want a whole set of them, like a whole collection. So this is one of them. Ooh, okay. Yes, look how cute it is. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This needs to be like ironed or something. Here are the drills, and here is the basic toolkit. So you get a pen, plate of wax, and a tray. Very simple. Oh, okay, so this one measures 40 by 50. Here is the schematic. So 15 different drills that we'll be laying down. You can see here, like this area here isn't drilled, and there's mostly just drills inside of the cat and then along the frame. I love these cats because I love the frame that they come in. So I think it's just so pretty. What is this big drill? We need to see this. We need to see where what goes right here. But yeah, so it's really cute. Let's look at it close up. The cat's face is adorable. Oh my goodness. Flowers on the cat. More flowers on the cat. Here's his little tail in his paws. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't know where that voice came from. I don't know. It came from inside of me somewhere. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. I want to figure out what goes. Ooh, peacock drills. I want to figure out what goes in those green spots. Sure. Have our drills. These are what I call peacock drills. From now on, these are going to be referred to as peacock drills. Please keep that in your mind, fellow creators. If you ever unbag these, call them peacock drills. Okay, thank you so much. But no, I love these, and they go in the 4 corners of this diamond painting, so where these blue marks are. Now let's take a look at these drills here. There's a long drill train. I'll go through it quickly because I love looking at special partials, and I love like the blingy diamonds that they come with. Do you call these rhinestones or crystals? What's the difference? Ooh, look at these ABs. Those are pretty. More ABs, more yellow. Okay, and then we have like these like teardrop type ones. More teardrops. Ooh, little red teardrops. Those are cute. These are like diamondy shaped. Okay, is this a thing? That's what I want to know. So number 4. So yeah, so where these big green spots are, this is what's going there. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. I love purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Purple and pink, FYI. But no, look at it. Oh, so pretty. That's so cute. And then just some bigger drills. And then these pearly ABs. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm excited for this one. Bear with me while I try and put these back in the bag because I don't want them to get mixed up. I don't think that's how they go. Do you guys ever take drills out of the bag and then you like try and put them back in the bag exactly how they did it at the factory, but you can't figure it out? that is my life. I feel like I should intern at a factory. If you're hearing that noise, it is just an air compressor. I live above a garage. But I should intern at one of these diamond painting factories so that I learn how to pack drills properly. Please hire me. You can pay me in diamond paintings. Okay, so there's that one. That was really cute. Let's open up. Ooh, okay. Which one should I open up, guys? I know you can't tell me, but I'm going to open up this one because it's in the middle, okay? Let's do that. I don't really remember what I ordered. I'm going to put on this, actually, yeah, I'm going to put on the screen right now when I ordered, when it was shipped, and when it came. So editing Beverly, put that here. Okay, so there's the information for you. Hopefully I remember to do that. If not, I am sorry. I'll put it in the description below. Which one is this? Ooh, okay, another partial. This one, oh, I know which one this one is. Okay, so this one's really cute. I'm telling you, I have an addiction to special drill partials. I don't know why, I just do. I need to stop ordering them because I already have a lot of them. There's like part of something that fell off. Here is our kit. The only difference from the other kit is that it actually has baggies in it. Here are our drills, just a mini bag of drills. Here is the canvas. Beautiful and kind of creepy, Look at the eye. Look at the eye there. Are these eyes? There's another eye, I think. I love it. So this one measures 30 by 40. And here's this mini schematic. There's 11 colors. Here is a thumbnail of the image. Oh yeah, so I was going to make this joke. Here's the thumbnail. Get it? It's my thumb and the nail. But my boyfriend said that that joke was lame, so I'm not going to make that joke again. So yeah. I think it looks really pretty. Let's look at it up close. So we'll look at the eyeball. So the eyeball isn't something where you're drilling. It's just around the eye. This eye, you actually drill parts of it. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I'm liking this so far. So let's take a look at the drills really quickly. I can figure out how to open them. How do I open you? Okay. Whoop, whoop. So here, ooh, here we have stars. That's pretty. Some rhinestone crystals. What are they called? Let me know in the comments below. Some little teardrops. Purple, purple, green, blue, yellow. That's bright. Pretty. And then just some white. Now you can watch me struggle to put the drills back in the bag. This isn't going to be hard. Don't make it more difficult than it already is. I'm telling you, I need that internship. Someone hire me. So that was that one. And we'll unbox one more and see how long this has taken. I guess I can probably cut this part out, but whatever. Okay. Let's do, which one shall we do next? Flip these around. It is a mystery. Let's do this one. Cut here. Cut here, please. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not working. I always think I'm going to cut the canvas. I always get scared, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, you can judge me just a little bit. What is this one? Ooh! I know what this one is. You'll see in a minute. Okay, so here are the drills. Where's that kit? Here's the kit, and this one comes. I actually really like these plastic tweezers. They're like cheapo tweezers, people call them, but I like them because I can use them to take wax out of my everlasting tips and just normal tips in general, and it doesn't like scratch them or ding them up. So I like these plastic tweezers. So that's our kit. Here is the itty bitty canvas. It measures 30 by 30. I don't know why I said 40. And it is of a moth, butterfly moth. Either or, it's really pretty and it's cute. Here's the schematic. 14 different drills, and we have the schematic on the other side on this one, and at the bottom there's instructions on how to diamond paint. So if you're new, that's easy for you. You can just follow the instructions. So up close we can see that like the inside of the hand isn't going to be drilled. I wonder what goes here. Is it going to be more of those purple flowers? I don't know. Let's take a look. But yeah, so that's pretty cute. And with all of these canvases, oh, I forgot to mention, with all of these canvases, the drill area is really clear. There's nothing that I see that would be confusing to me. Here are the drills. Some of them looks like some of them are packed in Ziploc bags. So we'll take a look at the drill train first. Save the best for last, right? These are pretty. Ooh, look how sparkly those are. Okay, so now let's take a look at these ones. Ooh, some blue, kind of teardroppy shaped ones, ovals maybe, red. These are pretty. Some red ones. Some of these, gold. Ooh, these are cute too. These are cute. I'm just gonna call everything cute, okay? Teardrops. And okay, so these are going to be this green spot on the canvas itself. So that's what will go there. That's pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna call these cute too, okay? These are cute. So that's it. I don't want to take more of your time because this video I feel like is long enough. What do you guys like? Would you rather watch a video with like a short unboxing where there's 3 of 6 canvases, or would you rather watch a video where I unbox all 6 of them? I don't know. I'm going to split this one up, but let me know down below if you'd rather just watch one long video or if you'd rather watch it in 2 videos. Okay, that's all I have to say. Again, this order is from DIYChoose. Thank you very much, Christopher, for enabling me to buy from them. And I will do another unboxing video of the rest of them later on, probably next week or whatever week this is, later on, another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my beehive. I post regularly. Oh my god. I post on a regular basis. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. I'm totally not going to cut this. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, goodbye!